Many of you all may know us for the emphasis of healthy hair, but let me tell you how it all got started. At the age of 15, I started my first company where I was a stylist by hire. I would travel through Milwaukee going to clients' private residence. I would do everything from extensions to updos to silk presses. And I remember being so envious of other people's hair because their hair was straight and mine was naturally curly. I tried some of everything to make my hair straight, but I realized how much damage I was doing to my own hair. At that time, I made a promise to myself. When I have the ability, I want to show people how to take care and nurture their hair. By educating our customers on the importance of maintaining and achieving healthy hair and understanding how products are made for certain textures and the pros and cons of each.